In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Jira dashboard gadgets not loading. If your Jira dashboard opens but some gadgets stay blank, spin forever, or fail to display the expected data, don't worry. In most cases, the issue can be fixed with a few simple checks. We'll go through the most effective troubleshooting steps in a clear order so you can quickly find the cause and get your dashboard working again. First, open your Jira dashboard and refresh the browser page. Sometimes a gadget fails to load because of a temporary browser or session issue. After refreshing, give it a few seconds to fully reload, especially if the dashboard contains several gadgets. Then check whether the missing or broken gadgets appear correctly. If the problem continues, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and not dropping in the background. A quick way to test this is to open another page in Jira and see if it loads normally. If your connection was interrupted, reconnect and then reload the dashboard again. Next, review the gadget permissions. Open the dashboard, click the More Options menu near the gadget, and select Edit. From there, confirm that you have permission to view the gadget's data source. In many cases, the gadget itself is fine, but the underlying data is restricted. Make sure you have access to the relevant projects, filters, and issues that the gadget depends on. After that, verify the save filter used by the gadget. Go to Issues, then search for Issues, and open the filter connected to that gadget. Confirm that the filter still exists, that you have permission to access it, and that it actually returns results. If needed, save the filter again to refresh its configuration. If the gadget still won't load, try removing it and adding it back. Open the dashboard, click Edit Dashboard, remove the gadget that isn't working, then click Add Gadget and add it again. After that, configure it carefully and save your changes. This can often fix a broken gadget setup. If you're using Jira Cloud, check the Jira status page to see whether there's an active outage or service issue. If there is an incident affecting dashboards or gadgets, the best option is to wait until the service is restored. You should also clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings, clear cached files and cookies, restart the browser, and then log back into Jira. This helps remove outdated local data that may be interfering with gadget loading. Finally, if you're an admin, check Jira permissions at the system level. Go to Settings, then System, and review Global Permissions, Project Permissions, and Dashboard Sharing settings. Confirm that users can access all the required data behind the gadget. By following these checks one by one, you can usually identify the issue and restore your Jira dashboard gadgets quickly.